Hello, and welcome to another episode. I'm Airsie, and we're going to build today the third part of the 3-in-1 creator set, number 31088. So we've already done the shark. And we've already done the anglerfish. And today we're going to do the squid, the last of the official 3 builds that we've done. The last 2 have been really fun, and I anticipate that this one will be as well. Here we go. So here we are. We finished building the squid. It went pretty fast. It's a pretty fast build. One of the things that I really like about this build is that it has the tentacles that just have so much movement to them. So you can kind of position them however you want. They could be really wide, or they can kind of come in. And then of course, on this entire set, I've enjoyed the eyes. So I enjoy the eye there. It was a pretty fast build. It only had a few pieces where the directionality had to be correct. So one of the easier ones and there was only one place where I had to go back and fix something. I think that this is, in terms of playability and durability, I would give it 5 stars. It's going to hold together really well, but it's also really fun to play with because there's a little bit of movement here in the body, and there's the movement with the tentacles, but for the most part, it's pretty sturdy. And so you can totally play with it and move it around. So again, this was the 3rd creation on the Lego Creator set number 31088, the Squid. And when I was building this one, I noticed on the back of this, it shows us that there is actually a 4th build. You can find those directions online only. And so watch for my next episode, because that's what I will be doing in my next episode, is this whale using the online only instructions. Well, it's been fun, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.